Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the template open. Now place your image file where Word can access it. First, select the placeholder photo or image frame. If there is no placeholder, insert a shape to host the picture. Once selected, use Picture Tools format to set image layout to in front of text or square so you can move it. Make sure to keep the file size small for email and ATS compatibility, and keep aspect ratio locked to avoid distortion. You're inserting and fitting the photo now. After adding the image, immediately go to Crop, choose Fill, and drag so the subject centers correctly. Then open Size options and set exact width or height, lock aspect ratio so the face doesn't stretch. Use Align tools to snap the image into the template's photo area. Use Send Back or Bring Forward if layers hide text. Once done, apply a consistent border or circle crop if the template uses one. You're finishing up. Save the edited resume and export a PDF to preserve layout when sending. Make sure spacing and alignment look correct in print preview and on mobile. If the image doesn't replace the placeholder, check for content controls or locked headers. Right-click and choose Edit or Remove Content Control, or copy the image into the correct layer. One troubleshooting tip: if Word refuses to accept the file, reduce image size to under 500 KB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.